Imagine this. You're in the middle of a crucial presentation and you hand your iPhone to a colleague to view some important data. Suddenly they start swiping through your personal photos. Awkward, isn't it? But don't worry, there's a lifesaver in disguise. Guided access on iPhone. It's like your personal privacy guardian, keeping those prying eyes away from your private stuff. So, are you curious about how to activate this superhero of privacy? Stick around and keep watching. But before we dive in, take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay updated with all things tech. Your likes and subscriptions help us bring more insightful videos your way. Thank you for your support. Now, on to the main event. Activating guided access on your iPhone is as easy as pie. Follow these simple steps. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, tap that gear icon on your home screen to open the Settings app. It's a gateway to a plethora of options and features that can make your iPhone experience more personalized and secure. Next, scroll down a little and tap on Accessibility. This is where Apple puts all the cool stuff that makes your device more user-friendly. Now, look under the General section. Here, you'll find the Guided Access option. Tap on it, you're almost there. Toggle on the switch next to Guided Access. It'll turn green, signifying that the feature is now active. But wait, there's one more step before we can call it a day. Now you need to set a passcode. This is the key to your Guided Access castle, so make sure it's something you can remember, but not so easy that anyone can guess. Tap on Set Passcode, and enter a 4-digit code. Confirm it, and you're all set. Remember, this passcode will be required to exit Guided Access, so keep it safe. Voila! You've successfully activated Guided Access. But how to use it? Stay tuned. You're one step closer to a more secure and personalized iPhone experience. Don't miss out on our next video where we'll delve into how to actually use this feature. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning. Now that you've activated Guided Access, it's time to put it to use. Guided access can be a real lifesaver when it comes to keeping your data private. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the app you wish to secure. This could be your email, social media, or even a game. Next, triple-click the side button on your iPhone. A guided access screen will appear. Here, you're in control. Adjust the settings as per your requirements. Perhaps you want to disable certain areas of the screen or disable the volume buttons. Once you have tailored the settings to your liking, click Start. Just like that, you've turned your iPhone into a vault. There you go. You've successfully secured your data. That's all for today, folks. Remember, guided access is your ally in maintaining privacy. It's simple, easy to use, and a game changer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Stay secure and happy browsing.